Hey, hi guys, here we are back again, the peak of the week. It's all downhill towards weekend from here. Another Wednesday, another shave. Before we get into it, I've had some new subscribers. Thanks for jumping on board, guys, much appreciated. If you're here for the first time and you're not a subscriber, please subscribe below. All subscriptions greatly appreciated. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for your continued support. As you've probably seen by the thumbnail, we've got a good one lined up for you today, haven't we? Here we go. PAA Sacre Bleu. Right, say that, absolutely wonderful. It's an homage to this stuff. Aqua Velva, ice blue. I can tell you right now, guys. Yeah, right. I said it before and I'll say it again. Doug's. This stuff smells of that and then some. It's that's like, to me, that's one note. Very nice, very refreshing. I love the stuff. I've decanted it. That into glass. That's the European Aqua Velva. Do you see the colour difference, Skylar? That's the difference there. So that I decanted some of that into that. That was in that bottle, was that colour, and then when it ran out, I put the American one in glass, and it makes a difference to the scent. But anyway, that's like one note, very nice, but just one note. This seems to have a little bit more going on about it, and the aftershave splash certainly does, and that's what we're going to be using. PAA CK6 Sacre Bleu. Now, rumour has it, Doug and Fran thought Sacre, because they don't speak French, they thought Sacre Bleu meant John Shaves 101 is the best YouTube shaving channel in the world, right? They thought that's what it meant in French. So Doug and Fran are like, you know, Fran says, Doug, you know, we can't really aim anything else, can we? And Doug's like, I'm up for that. So there you go, Sacre. I mean, that's what I've heard. I mean, I would never myself say such a thing, you know. But if others want to say it, who am I? Just little old me to argue. But anyway, that's what I'm going to be using there. Okay, look at this. I've got the green phantom. Is that what it's called? La Creatura. There it goes. And we've got that because we've got the matching balm. Sacred blue, and it's green. So I thought I'd get a bit of a theme going on in this aftershave, guys. It's absolutely fantastic. There you go. So we're going to be, let's get the brush look, PAA. Let's get it the right way up. Peregrino. Wonderful, wonderful brush this. Absolutely wonderful. One of the softest, one of the best knots around. It's one of the best brushes around. I think it's the same knot as is in the Amber Aerolite and the Phantom Aerolite. But that knot is fantastic. We'll get that in a bit of water. And it's the new official John Shaves Super Soaker. So we'll splash up with that, and we're going to balm up with what else? What else? Aqua Velva 5-in-1. Still my favourite aftershave balm, and I've got stuff in there that costs 3, 4, 5 times the price of this, but that's still my favourite. I absolutely love it. So let's get the blade into this. I was going to use something else, but then I thought, oh, we'll get a PAA theme on the go here. And I picked these razor blades because can you see, look, blue diamond in the face, blue diamond on the blade. Right, that's the level of work that goes in to these videos, guys. Honestly, here we go. Supermax blue diamond. I think I've used these blades before, and they are actually pretty good. Supermax, there you go, there it is. Supermax diamond edge. Are you ready for one of the most satisfying sounds of a razor? I'll try and get it up to the microphone. Ready? If I can. Do you hear that? Absolutely. Look, oh my word. there is overhang, but look at how that's gripped that. Oh, dearie me. There you go. And we'll put that in the super soaker next to the brush. Glasses are steaming up. Not long in from work. Had a shower, did my hair. You know who you are, Sinatra. Yeah, so let's crack on with this shave. We know what to expect, don't we? From a PAA, you'll see it. 1, 2, miss a few, 99, 100. There you go, look at that. You could shave for that, couldn't you? Absolutely, dip the tips. All of Doug's soaps are absolutely wonderful. I tend to load the brush for about 20 or 30 seconds. Oh, guys, the scent strength of this is astounding. I would put it at about a 7 right out of the pot. And as you lather it, it becomes more fragrant and more aromatic. As I was lathering that then, the scent was coming off and hitting me in the face. So I load onto the brush for about 30 seconds and then build the lather on my face. Okay, here we go now, thick, tasty lather. Shall we have a play with this? Shall we do a Kevy shaves? Dip the whole brush in some water. Look at this. PAA soap, especially the CK6. Look, we'll just dip it again, the whole. We dip the whole knot then. But this will just keep going and going and going and producing lather. Look at this. I could play with it even more. Go on, let's have a do. That's 3 times I've dipped the entire brush in, look. Look at this, guys. Absolutely wonderful. Lovely, rich, thick, voluminous, fragrant lather, full of all those skin properties that you, well, it's gooped all over the bathroom sink here. Well, there's big goops of it like all over the bathroom sink. Absolutely wonderful. Here we go. And it smells fantastic. If you're thinking of getting it, guys, I'd get it. If you like Aqua Velva, it's a no-brainer. Oh, so how are your days doing? How has it been today? It's been a good day in work today. I had some issues this morning when we first went in with work and the building and so on, but all sorted now. And it's a pretty decent day. It's a decent job. I work with a decent bunch of guys, you know. So that's half the battle. So how's your day been? Let me know what your shaves of the day are. Let me know if you've got Sacre Bleu. What you think of it. Let me know if you've got the old one particularly. Let me know what you think of the scent and let me know how it compares. I know Skylar over there in the United States, he's got a YouTube channel called Surely Shaving. Check it out, give him a sub, he's a nice guy. I think he asked in one of my videos about which one of the Aqua Velvas this smelt like. And yeah, it's the blue one. And it does now, you know, as you wet it. Oh man. Look, here we go. Oh, this, guys, just from that 30-second load. Oh, so yeah. I've had I lost 4 subscribers and then I gained 3. Seems to be 2 steps forward and 1 step backwards, but we're inching up, aren't we? We're inching up towards that 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Here we go. So there isn't really a lot to see. It's been pretty uneventful here. It's just been bed and work, you know. It gets dark early now, so there's not really a lot you can do. There isn't really a lot. I'm not a great one for going to the pictures. I know Samantha is, and I'm not. So my evening will consist of getting this edited and put up. And then it'll probably be an early night, I'll be honest with you. Didn't sleep very well last night. No issues or anything, just one of those nights, you know. Oh. But we come home, film a shave, and everything feels better, doesn't it? So I got the heads up on this via the app. The PAA app, I would highly recommend you get it. And then there's in the settings, I think it might even ask you if you want alerting of notifications. And when all this new stuff comes out, you actually get a text sent to your phone, and the app will appear in the top of your screen and say new release from PAA. And that's what happened with this, and that's how I was able to get this, because it's sold out really fast. So if you like PAA soaps and you're thinking of getting some in the future, I would highly recommend you get the app and you link it up to your card, your bank card or whatever, and when the app, you can order through the app, so it will alert you to these new releases. A couple of clicks and bang, yours is secured and it's on the way. That's what we did with this. I spent that much time waffling, and I can't even remember what pass that was. Yeah, it was. That was the money pass. Here we go. Lather mittens. Look at that, just from now. So watch this back after now. If I've only done 2 passes, I'm going to absolutely kick myself. It's just the usual suspects. So thanks to everybody for all the comments. Look at that one. I get lots of comments and I do always try and answer them. I think that was a spot actually, I'm not going to count them. That's the new official John Shave's official excuse, that every time I cut myself. Well, that's a spot that. I'm not counting that one. And that razor did okay, didn't it? I did want to use Sexy Rexy, but I tried to keep as much of it PAA as possible for the thumbnail. You know, well, let's have a PAA shave and the thumbnails work, because I've had a couple of private comments this last week of people saying to me, watch your video because I saw the thumbnail, you know. I was intrigued by the thumbnail, so let's have the lean-in. What do you reckon? We did okay, didn't we? It's quite smooth, quite smooth. Mind you, that razor is a beast. Here we go. When I got this the other day, guys, Dougie can't win, can he? I don't like these restrictors. I liked it when it was just the glass engineered around the top. Do not like these restrictors at all. But he can't win. He never put them on. People said, put them on. He's put them on now. And people like me don't like them. But anyway, I put some of this on when it came the other day. Look at that. Not a cut. Not a nick. No sting. Oh, absolutely wonderful. Yeah, I put some on the other day in the bedroom. And I walked into my wife and I said, here, have a sniff of that. And she was like, oh, that is so nice. And my daughter likes it too. Aqua Velvet. I love this stuff. What I tend to do is when I've put everything away, when I make myself a cup of coffee and everything's proper dried and soaked in, in about half an hour's time. We'll come back to the Aqua Velva. And I'll put, oh God, it smells so good, that stuff. I'll put some more in because it's hydrating and nourishing. And it's good for your skin. I mean, I'm 97, guys. They're the problem. Okay, let me know what you think of today's video, today's shave. Let me know what you think of the stuff. Let me know what you think of Sacre Bleu. Anything, let me know. Anything you want to ask or anything you want to know, do it via the comments. I will always get back to you. Now, YouTube, sweating like a bull because the shower's been on. YouTube has started, well, it's not started, it's always done it, but it seems to have been more prevalent this past week or two of just disappearing people's comments. And it's only if I randomly go into YouTube Studio and tap on comments, I'm randomly seeing all these comments that people have left and aren't showing up on the actual video, but they're showing up in YouTube Studio. That's why if I answer a comment and it's 4, 5, 6 days late, I'm not being rude or ignorant, guys. I just didn't see it until I went in the comments section at YouTube Studio. So I don't know if it's an issue with YouTube. But thanks, everybody. Thanks for sticking with me. Have a great rest of the week. We're on the way. It's all downhill now, isn't it, till weekend. And I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. And it may well be PAA again. Take care, guys. Bye.